Okay, here we go. Terra Energy Resources is the name of the company, and they operate a 25,000 square foot processing facility where it reduces and recirculates oil-based polymer compounds back to usable functioning process streams. Now, in plain English, that means that they take potentially harmful industrial waste and make them reusable, saving massive amounts of cost. But because oil prices have come down recently, they've elected to diversify their operations and become a multinational corporation with subsidiary corporations in both the US and Canada. Now, the move was to increase shareholder value and join the ranks of other multinational diversified companies like Berkshire Hathaway, Citigroup, GE. Then on May 9th of last year, they announced that they're acquiring 100% of the outstanding stock of Atari Games International. You remember them? In a move to further diversify its operations. Now, here's where things get really interesting. In the fall of last year, the company acquired Berkshire Enterprises Incorporated. And through this new subsidiary, the company is looking at acquiring 160 acres of commercial farmland in Colorado, valued currently at $3.8 million. And that land is going to be used to lease shared workspace to start up cannabis companies with sole proprietors. Now, if you've never seen a shared workspace operation, they're hugely lucrative. You might have heard that in the gold rush, the money play was to go into business selling picks, shovels, sluice boxes, pans, etc. to miners rather than taking the risk of mining yourself. Well, this is the modern day equivalent. The green rush in the United States grew to over $7 billion last year, and it's still nowhere near being a mature market. Terra Energy could become the Regis of cannabis shared grow land. Now, if you've never heard of Regis, they're a global shared officing company. If you are a mobile entrepreneur, they will give you an office environment in any city on the planet for you to just pop into, get some work done, meet with clients, print, scan, whatever. They'll give you a mailing address, let you use all their facilities for a very reasonable monthly rate. Terra is going to do this with shared grow space for cannabis-specific growers. The company is seeking to acquire these types of properties all over the world to accommodate the massive growth in the cannabis industry. And in the process, they could find themselves one of the largest holders of what would then be extremely valuable real estate. One of the best assets a growing corporation can have on its books is real property. If that real property happens to be some of the most fertile and crop-specific land for growing the world's soon-to-be biggest cash crop, then this is a company I want to own and I want you to own. Here's what you do if you want to get involved. The ticker is TRRE. It trades over the counter at this particular moment. That means that before any of the real money is in, you can get in. If you have a brokerage account, you can buy this stock today. You might have to file an extra form with your broker, but it's okay. The important thing is to take action. Now, this is not a solicitation to purchase a stock, but I want you to take it for what it's worth. The green rush is very real. You owe it to yourself to get involved. Cheers.